it's me, Gareth, from Port Monkeys, and today we are in Avalon on Catalina Island off the coast of California. And we're here on the Carnival Frenzy. And we are on a tender boat getting off, and it's a long way. So we're off the tender boat. Those are them, the water shuttles, right? And for a quarter here you can buy food to feed the starfish. Look at the starfish down there. But we're gonna go around here. This is where the Catalina ferry comes. Of course, the casino in Avalon. There's the ship, and there's the town. So let's get to it. By the way, that's Lover's Cove. If you come here to go snorkeling, you're going to want to walk over there. That area is all protected, and there's a lot of fish. This time of year, it's the end of June, beginning of summer. The water is a little bit cold. So this is Veterans Park. That's the harbor. Looks like it's full up. We'll walk out on that pier, and then we're going to walk over to the casino. And we're not going to play on that playground, although it looks like we could. So there is a little bit of sand here left. That used to be a sandy beach. I guess it still is over there. You know, the Wrigley chewing gum people used to own the island, and the Cubs came here for spring training, and that up there is the Wrigley Mansion. Lots of tourist shopping and food. And I guess the sand is up here now. And the side streets too. But this is a pedestrian walkway now. So, no driving. The water shuttles are over there. There's the ship, of course. Haven't walked very far. The Avalon Grill is there. It's another one of these shopping streets going up. Somewhere up there, there's a Bond supermarket. Small, but you know, not a tourist place. So this is the pier, and we're going to walk down to the end of it. It's illegal to possess any container of alcohol beverage. Eric's on the pier. It's the Avalon Harbor Pleasure Pier. And visitor center. I think there's public restrooms out here. Yeah. See that sign? So, if you need one, no more sand on this side, but mixed with rocks. You drive boats, so boat rental? Now, you should know the pier is very old and very rough. I'm going to walk out here barefoot. There's a lot of bumps, exposed nail heads, that kind of thing. Kayak rental, paddleboard rental. Savvy Submarine Scenic City Tour, Island Interior Tour. Those are tongue twisters. I can snorkel on this side. Carnival. Coastal Wild Dolphin Adventure, check in here. Diver supply. Gear rentals. But no prices. Seafood. Not open. Shrimp and chips. Sandwiches, grilled fish, grilled swordfish, 12 dollars. Hand breaded fish fish and chips, I guess. Fish and chips, 3-piece, hand breaded, $16. Oh, that's not too bad, right? Bait and parasail. Get on your tours and stuff. Parasailing going out. That's the semi-submersible sub. And that's the pier. Well, that was the pier. We're back on the main drag, waterfront. I'm going to cut across the sand here to see what that is, and it's a wrapper. Somebody's got a drum circle going here. Of course, that's a hotel, I think. Looks like ABBA's going to be here. Oh, I guess not the real ABBA. There's a big flag up. Notice the casino is ringed with flags. Oh, look at this. Here's where Vaughn's is. About a block up there. So the pedestrian area is ended. And this is going to be a busy road. How busy for Avalon. There's a restaurant. Blue Water Avalon. Here's Pier 24. All I see is specialty drinks. And buffalo heads. Or bison heads. Pizzas. Of course, on the ship, the pizza is complimentary. Catalina Gear, so a gift shop, but it doesn't look open. Oh, wait, maybe over here. Oh. Sailor's Delight ice cream. No, it's closed. I think these places would open early when a ship's in, but maybe they get enough business elsewhere, other times. More sand beach. I mean, that's stairs going down to the water. Look at that. Via Casino. Catherine's Way, via Casino. There's more restrooms. Water's very clear here. You can see the Garibaldi down there, the orange. Little flashes of orange. Oh! I've been followed. Well, here's the Catalina Island Yacht Club. And they keep the buildings up. Video security system. That looks freshly painted, so did the Tuna Club. So is this railing. Uh-oh, the big breakers are coming in now. We walked all that way. There's another water shuttle pulling in. That's the Catalina Express. Now we're here at the casino. So we're going to walk around there. People are up there, but it's roped off. That's kind of weird, right? Ooh, it's a kids' room. There's people inside. Catalina wine mixer? Yeah. Maybe that's the zip line. I don't know.
If your wine, you get on the zip line that fixes them.
Last time we were here, there was a zip line up in there. I don't know if it's still in business or not. And then this is a protected area. No fishing.